crazy day in Crush history. I will be attempting to build my first PC, an upgrade from that crap. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Has it ever stopped me? Yeah. Alright, I've got all my parts here. The fans, the GPU, the case, the motherboard. I don't know what that is. Thermal juice. The core thing. Now I just gotta follow this tutorial and put all these in one place. Got the motherboard out. This isn't a tutorial, but has a handy quick installation guide, which will also be useful. I put the CPU in. Let's go. I've got the memory in. I think I did it right. I mean, there's no way I did it wrong, but on the video I said there's multiple, and there's multiple ones, like which one you put in first and stuff. But it don't say it on the board. But since it's on bottom when you put one in, the guy in the video said that I can just put it anywhere. So it should be fine. Yeah. Okay, it was doing the storage thing. This is the storage. To apply it, but it was the SSD. I have a hard drive. I think that's different. It hasn't came up yet, so I just have to do the thermal paste now. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get into it later. I have to take off that one because I got it all on my hands. So it was already thermal paste, but I got it on my hands, so I wiped it all off using the wipes provided with that. So I just gotta apply it on. Oh, that took forever. I was installing this. Everything was going smoothly, except these bits. What you gotta do is press them down really hard. I couldn't like press them down all equally because some bits was coming out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just get my screwdriver, bash it. It's all secure. See, I did it in the end. I gotta say, attaching this was the easiest thing, so you just slot it in, make sure it's all in. Yeah, that's it. Right, almost everything's wired up and stuck together. Just got these wires, but he's talking about them now, so I'll report back once this works. Guys, guess what? I did it! It's spinning, and it's glowing, it's more spin, there's more, and it's so quiet. It's beautiful. I did it. I did something. Yay. Okay, now the tricky part is putting all this into there. Right, so I've taken everything off. I'll shove it all in there, and also, you know, connect the wires. Okay, I've got the motherboard in and all the wires connected. I've managed to fit this in. Oh, it wasn't, but no, it just barely fit in. It's very tight, snug as a bug, but that's good. Just gotta put this in to that one, and then storage, then power, and then I should be sorted. Almost done. I screwed this in. I've connected most of the wires. I've got to connect this wire to that bit. And these wires are pretty much useless. This, I gotta do this. Put that in there. And honestly, I think I should be done. Yeah, pretty sure I'll be done. Yeah. So I was a bit confused on how to put the drive in, because there was like no space. I tried to wrap it in there using this, because there wasn't really like a place to put it, except this little thing. And so I tried putting this all over the drive to like get it stuck in there, but it wouldn't fit because the drive was far too big. And then I realized I'm meant to have it turned around so it sticks onto it instead of being inside of it. I'm a bit of an idiot. But hey, I'm almost done. Oh my god, I just had to do some next level maneuvers. I had to like take this out to get these wires into that bit there. Oof, it's just effort, but I'm almost done. I'm so close. I just gotta screw these in. Then, yeah, I think I'm done after that. I just gotta plug this in. And that in. Yeah. I'm almost done. Whew. Guys, I'm done. Pretty much. Everything's installed, everything's plugged in. I just gotta test if it works. I gotta put that back on, screw those back on. And finally, I'm done. Right, if I've done everything right, if you want to press this button, maybe it's press off, I don't know for sure. If you want to press this button, this should turn on. Wait, no, I forgot to plug in the HDMI. Nope. Okay, maybe I didn't turn on. Huh. Da 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 da. It works. Everything's all plugged in. It all works. The fan's spinning. This is powering. The wires all. These all work. Oh, I finally did. How long? What time is it? It's 10. I swear I did this when it was like 7 or something. I don't know. Now I just gotta screw up that screen back in. Yeah, I should be golden. I forgot to install the extra fan. I'm not happy. I put the new fan in. So now I just got this old Intel fan. Now it's done. I just gotta screw that on. And then I don't have to do anything else. Yay! I finally did it. It's got the new fan in. It's fully done. It's only 2 things left for me to do now. One, the most satisfying. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that was nice. And 2, just putting this Intel core sticker on it. It's kind of awkward because I'm doing it with a phone. Right, I've got my Intel sticker. Just gonna pop this on right there. And it's done. The sticker's a bit wonky, I'll fix it, but I finished. Let's go. Yay.